Okay, welcome to the next Android Studio project. In this project, we are going to develop a stopwatch application. So, without doing any delay, let's get started with the Android Studio project. So, in this part of the stopwatch application, we will be designing an stopwatch. So, let's start a new Android Studio project. And let's give application name as stopwatch and company domain. Um, let's keep this company domain and hit enter, and let the minimum SDK version be API 15 and hit next, and then choose the empty activity and then hit next, and let's name our main activity as stopwatch activity. Okay, our Gradle project building is in progress. Okay, after completion of Gradle build, uh, we can see this kind of windows. Now let's go to the design part of this XML file. Alright, it is showing kind of error. Let me fix it. Okay, after fixing it, now we can clearly see the hello world text in our image here. So what we need to do is that first we'll delete this hello world text from our application. So you can delete this text view, or you can go to the design section and you can click here and you can delete. Alright, okay, after deleting hello world text, now let us make a design for our stopwatch. So for that we need to first put a background to our stopwatch. So for doing it, we can uh, do that really fast in a code, but for the sake of simplicity, let's do this stop by dragging of this palette view. Go to the design section of this XML file here, and as you can see in the left hand side there is a pallets. So this is the widgets from where you can drag and drop things and put in your application. And as you can see that in just below the palette you can see the component tree. So if I extend this, you can clearly see that there is component tree, and this um, application right now in XML file there is only a relative layout. So select that relative layout. It is already selected, and in the right hand side you can see the properties label. So just I'll extend this properties, and right now there is only 3 properties. So for more properties you can go to the view all properties here, and after expanding these properties, now we need to look for background properties. So you can see there is background properties. So before using the background properties, we have not used the background image. So for using the background images, I have already downloaded an image. So let me first bring that image into our Android Studio project. Okay, this is our image right here. Let me copy it. Okay, now I have already copied the image from my desktop. Now I need to put that image in a folder called drawable. So go to the app and go to the Java resources folder and then select this drawable and paste the image there. So make sure that this is a PNG file and the name of that image is image.png and hit enter. Okay, now I'll close this windows. Now go to the properties section again and click on this bottom right there. Alright, there is our image. So if you could not find this image, actually this image falls under our project categories. So there is our image, and select that image and now hit enter. So as you can see that the background has been well suited to our application. Okay, the process of using this properties label seems quite confusing and quite difficult. So for the sake of simplicity, we will just do this. I will show how we can do this in XML coding as well. Go to the text section of this XML file, and as you can see there, we have new properties here tag. It says Android background equals to drawable image, as we have put our image in a drawable directory. So this is how you can do in the coding part of your application. So now after having the background of our stopwatch, let's design our three bottoms. So as previously we have done by drag and drop process, that let's drag a bigger text view. Okay, now we need a three bottoms for stop, start and reshade. So select this bottom and this will be our start bottom, this will be our okay. I have arranged the bottom in this linear fashion, vertical fashion. So the same thing you can do with a coding part as well. So you can see there we have drop and drag and drop, three bottoms. So you can write these things in code as well. So let us give an ID for this bottom. So for the first bottom will be start bottom, and let's name the ID of the bottom as start bottom. Right now, don't bother about these things, don't care about this thing. I will explain this, what does this extra code here means. So let's give a name to another bottom. This will be stop, and this bottom will be reset. Okay, after completion of giving text and ID, so right now do whatever is here, whatever code is here, write this code as it is. And for the text view seems quite small, so we need to increase the text size of this text view. So for that we have tag called Android text size and give a text size as 92 sp. Okay, this is the design section of the stopwatch. You can run this. Okay, to make the looks more better, I have changed the text of the text view as in hour, second and minute format. So now let's run this project, and after running it you can see this as, okay, here is our stopwatch application. So I'll start this project and you can see the nice design of our stopwatch. Here is our start, stop and reset buttons, and here is our text view displaying the time. So in the next part of the video we'll be doing how this bottom works and how we display the numbers in this text view. So thank you for watching guys. Thank you.